In this video, we will show you how to unblock person in WhatsApp. If you ever block someone in WhatsApp and you want to unblock it, it's very easy. You can just click these three dot icons and select settings and select privacy here. After that, you can scroll down and select contacts. Just click contacts and select blocked contacts. And you can see there is 3% that I ever block them. To unblock it, just click this. For example, I click this person and click unblock. Now you successfully unblock this person and you can chat with this person again. Okay, that's all tutorial how to unblock person in WhatsApp with the easiest way. Hope this video helpful for you.